So in this topic, marketing clearing price. The marketing clearing price is one of the most important factors on the power system. The marketplaces at which the quantity of energy supplied the matches and quantity of energy demand and the buyers and sellers can agree on in the prices is known as marketing clearing price. In is also known as equilibrium price. In the marketplaces, different participants are there. So number of participants are there, are buyers or sellers. Between the participant decided the product, how much cost in this product, and settle the deals and risky talking. Finally, agree with one price between the participants or buyers or sellers. The agree on that price is known as market clearing price. Is called as marketing clearing price. Next one, standard cost. The next definition, a simple definitions. Deterioration, the cost of electricity. Generating resources due to restructuring the power industry is known as standard cost. Some deteriorations in the cost of electricity and generating the resources due to the restructuring of the power industry is known as a standard cost. A restructuring in the power industry fix some cost, standard cost. The electricity example for a unit for electricity, 2 rupees or 3 rupees with fixed rates, nothing but a standard cost. Deregulation causes the electric prices. The deregulation causes the electric prices to decline more than production cost, which in turn reduces the earnings, utilities, the cost of their goods. Deregulation causes of electricity price to decline the more than the production cost, which is done reduce the earnings of utilities and cost of their goods. So in deregulation policy, it remove the rules and restrictions. Okay, the production cost example, the productions manufactures 20 per 200. So it will be sell the cost of product 300. That time demand is less, reduces the earnings of utilities and the cost of their goods, and the cost of that exists between expected cost to recovered and rate of regulation, and the cost that are recoverable and the cost that is recoverable and competitive manners. The cost that exists are between expected cost. So sometimes this product is expected cost is 200 or 300. To recovered rate of regulation, the cost is recoverable in a competitive market. Those are these. This is the standard cost. Standard cost nothing but electric generating resource due to restructuring the power industry is known as the standard cost. The next topic is transmission pricing. Transmission pricing. What is meant by transmission pricing? Transmission pricing. The transmission constraints prevent the operation of effective plants. The transmission constraints prevent the operation of effective plants. The location of generation that causes the amount of transmission power losses can be also determined by using those constraints. Transmission constraints prevents the operation of effective plants. The location of generation that causes the amount of transmission power losses, including the power losses, can be also determined by using those constraints. In these conceptions are neglected by the transmission prices, the system will be ineffective. System will be ineffective, and it is considered then transmission price should be motivated and construction of new generating and transmission capacity which improve the system efficiency. Once the transmission lines are calculated, the power capability transfer one places to the another places, increasing the efficiency. Capacity, transmission capacity will improve the system efficiency. The transmission pricing should be carry out the following functions. After from fulfilling the revenue requirements of the transmission pricing should be carry out the following functions. So first one, to improve the effective day-to-day operation bulk power market. So in improve the effective day-to-day, the technology will be improved, then corresponding to the transmissions equipment and transmission prices are improve, effective improve to provide the quality of electricity is provided to consumers, and to motivate to compensate owners transmission resources provide, and to renewable and practically implemented one of the following should be carried out, the reasonable and practically implemented, and then true gain operating and capital cost. Transmission pricing are different participants are owners to recovery operating cost and regain operating cost and capital cost to give the equal preference for to all users. So in the consumers are different consumers are there are equating the equal to give the equal preference for the all users, and to purpose an easy and understandable price structures will be decided market and clearing prices the consumers easily and understandable price structures understandable price structures to motivate the investments and find out the location of generations. So transmission different participants in the marketplaces, the different participants to motivate the investment of the power generations. So this is the transmission pricing, and should be carry out the following functions. So first of all, following functions to improve the day-to-day operations of bulk power market, and to compensate to owner of the transmission resources, to gain the operating cost and capital cost, and give the equal preference for all users, and the consumers to easily understandable the price structures. Thank you.